Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss why Meta keeps recommending some settings even though everyone says that they're not working. So, from Advantage Plus audience to AI recommendations for creative, many other things in the platform, you have seen that Meta keeps proposing the same things again and again, and they say that if you use it, you're going to get 33% better results and all of that. But why does Meta is doing that? Do they want us to lose money? The truth is that they don't, but they have also to train their algorithm. Let me remind you something. When the CBO first came to our lives, it wasn't working really well. And it wasn't working well at all because it didn't have enough data in order to become better than the ABO. 6 months later, when people started using it more and more, and guess what happened? Meta was proposing it, even if it wasn't working, it started working better because it got fueled with data. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that is going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. What has changed since then? We have Advantage Plus campaigns, we came to our lives and everybody embraced them immediately because they were working, but at the same time, Meta has seen that for this specific tool, the Advantage Shopping campaigns, as we call them, everything has gone faster and faster and faster to the evolution of actually using now only advanced shopping campaigns to really train their accounts. If you have smaller accounts, I guess that you're using everything else until you find something working. But they have realized that the more people that are using a new tool that they're actually launching, the more and the faster it's becoming available for more people and it's actually working. This is the reason that we're seeing now Meta pushing more and more and more different settings like the AI recommendations, which are not working, stupid settings over there that are just ruining your ads, and I'm not using them at all. Advantage Plus audience, which is not working at all. It doesn't make any sense. You want to target only women and it expands also to men. It's like a crazy stupid setting, but Meta needs to tell you that it's working better so that they can use it more and more and more people, or they are blind, which I don't think that this is the case because they're just using it in very big ad accounts. I have been part of many Meta promotions and many Meta credits that they give to test specific things, and let me tell you that it's happening only on the big ad accounts, on the ad accounts that they're very good. So when you run something with a trained pixel, I can tell you that Advanced Plus audiences are working really well there. But on smaller ad accounts that every single detail matters in order for you to get the best that you can because your pixel is not ready, your ad account doesn't have a lot of spend, it's really important for you to just avoid these tools until a lot of people start using them so that they can become better, and then when they are better, you can actually start using them. So what can you do? How can you protect yourself? Basically, you cannot. The only thing that you can do is trust people on the internet that they are testing things. I hope that my channel is going to be one of these ways for you to validate different things and test into your ad account. Don't just believe Meta that is telling you that you're going to get 50% better results and then try it, and if it's not going to work, it's your fault. Just see and test, and if it doesn't work for you, move on to the next thing or try to validate it. In my opinion, don't just listen to me, for example, that it's not working. Test it in your ad account. Maybe it's going to work. Who knows? I haven't seen any new ad account using the Advanced Plus audience and the Advanced Plus audience working there. But I can tell you that it's working on bigger ad accounts. The only thing that I can tell you that is working across ad accounts, if it's not a new ad account with a new pixel, is Advanced Plus campaigns. But Advanced Plus campaigns are with us now for almost 2 years. Okay, and yes, it's one exception to the rule. It's the only thing that has worked actually since day one. Shop ads were not working at all initially, and Meta had to spend a lot of, they didn't spend their own money, they gave credit to ad accounts, and so that they can train the algorithm understanding how to sell on Meta shops. So don't believe into recommendations. Either they're coming from experiments to very good ad accounts, or they are trying to convince you so that they can actually train their AI tools or the next thing that they're launching and train the algorithm so that it can become better and better. And I think that you can avoid it. Test it on your ad account. If it doesn't work, don't believe the recommendation. The same thing goes for consolidation. If you see that consolidation doesn't work for you, go with something else. If you see that learning phase is something that it doesn't influence you, don't look at the learning phase. All of these different things just focus on what is working on your ad account and don't focus so much on these recommendations, because as you can see, they're actually saying that we believe that you're going to get 33% more results, but they're not guaranteeing it. So don't forget, guys, that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, my website, and you can check, of course, my mentorship programs. And below my mentorship programs, you can actually check all of the reviews from the people completed my Chosen 5 program or being part of the inner circle. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.